This is lesson 18-3, volume of rectangular prisms. Our central question, how can you determine the volume of a rectangular prism? And pretty much all we're going to be doing is length times width times height. We have one vocab word, volume, which is the number of cubic units needed to fill a solid figure. Example 1, find the volume. So this shape here is a perfect square. So our length, our width, and our height are all the same number. So we just do 3 times 3 times 3, which gives us an answer of 27 inches. And then when we find volume, since we're multiplying length, width, and height, it's to the third power. So 27 inches cubed is what we call that. Example 2, find the missing value. So in this case, they already gave us the answer. The volume is 36 centimeters cubed. And they gave us the length and the height, and now we need to find the width. So if volume equals the length times the width times the height, all we're going to do when we already have this number, we already have the answer, is we're just going to work backwards. So we take our answer, 36, and we divide it by 6. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. And then we divide it by our other number, which is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the missing width is 3 centimeters. So to find the answer, we multiply the numbers together. And if we already have the answer and we're going backwards, we just divide. So we have 3 centimeters. Example 3, we're finding the volume, length, width, and height. 7 times 2 times 1 gives us an answer of 14 centimeters cubed. And again, in example 4, we're working backwards. So we have the answer. The volume is 30. We're trying to find one of the missing pieces. So when we work backwards, we divide. So we take 30 divided by one of the numbers. So we'll start with 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then we just divide it by the other number, which is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our height is 2 feet. And here are your two practice problems. In number 1, you're just multiplying length times width times height. And number 2, you're finding the missing length by going backwards and dividing. Don't forget a word problem or a question, and rate your understanding.